Hi guys, it's Miss Crawford. I'm making this video because I want to help you navigate in Teams what to look for when you come to commercial art online. Okay, so just bear with me because I'm learning this as you're learning this, and if you have any questions or comments, I'm going to show you how to contact me as well. Okay, so let me click this. So I'm going to be showing, I'll have my little video down here, and I'm going to show you my screen. So you're going to click on Microsoft Teams. Mine's going to look a little bit different than yours because I'm teaching. So you're going to have this that opens up, and these are all of your classes. Your classes are going to be called teams. You're going to find your class. So I'm going to click on first hour. And on the left-hand side, it's going to tell you what class you're in, and it's going to have these things that say, and each class is going to be different. So this is just for art. It's going to say general, attendance, questions, and answers. These are called channels. Channels are basically chats. When you are on that channel, in the middle is where you navigate, okay? When you're in general, I don't want you to start a conversation here, okay? This is going to be where you find all the information you need to. It's going to have your assignments. It's going to have everything that you need, okay? Then we have another channel called attendance, and you'll be clicking on that. There's probably going to be a poll here every day by this little guy, Polly. This is going to be your attendance poll. It's going to be an attendance question. So when I create a poll, you're going to click on it. You're going to answer the question. It's going to be open for the first 15 minutes of class. Answer the question, and then you have done your attendance for the class, and then I can record it and give it to the school. You will have to check in every hour for the first 15 minutes of class. If you get here and the poll is gone and you haven't been able to check in with me, you will need to call the office and let them know you were late, having technical difficulties, or if you are absent for the day, okay? The next thing is questions and answers. When you click on questions and answers, you can type down here in this box, when is the first sketch assignment due? Or is there any extra credit? Whatever it is you're going to do. And then you'll hit enter and it'll send that question. Anybody in your class will be able to read this question and read the answers. Okay? Just so you know, all chats and all videos are recorded. That is for your benefit so that you can go back and see what you missed if you missed a class or you couldn't get in because of technical difficulties, whatever it is. So just know everything is recorded. Now, when you've opened this and you've found your class, you're going to make sure you're on the general channel. Up at the top, you have what are called tabs, okay? You're going to, it's going to say two more. You're going to click on two more. You're going to come down and you're going to click on Commercial Art Virtual Classroom. This is our classroom. So for this week, what I want you to do is find the classroom and I want you to navigate through it. I want you to practice clicking on different objects and seeing what happens. Okay, so this is our art room. It says hello and welcome to art. Take a look around and click on objects. This will change from week to week. Some things will stay the same and some things will change. So you will need to check our virtual classroom. Okay, so I want you to practice clicking around. I'm just going to show you a couple of things. So you can, all these little objects, the welcome banner, my Bitmoji person, posters on the wall, any objects, just some of them you can click on and some of them won't work, okay? But what I really wanted to show you was when you click on the computer that is sitting on my desk, okay? Anytime you click an object, for some reason this little box comes up, just hit OK or cancel. Either way, it's going to take you to where you need to go. It's not a big deal. It doesn't mean anything weird. So you're just going to click it. It's going to take you to where you need to go. So this one, I clicked on the computer. It lets you know how to contact me. It's got my email. It has the school office number. So if you can't get in or on the internet, you can call that number. So make sure you write it down somewhere and you let the office know that you're having issues, okay? It's got attendance procedure. It talks about how the first 15 minutes of class, you've got to check in with me. We're not going to Zoom every single day, but you will need to check in for attendance every single class time, first 15 minutes of class, okay? If you can't, well, sorry. For those of you who said bless you, thank you. First 15 minutes of class, you will have to check in. If you can't, call the office, let them know. They will let me know. Okay? It's got all my procedures. Oh, I'm sneezing again. Sorry, guys. For my video calls, we will only be video calling once or twice a week. Okay? And they might not be long. It might take a whole class period. It might not take a whole class period. I will let you know as we go along. We won't be video chatting every single day. Right here, it has all my expectations for a video call and what you need to do. One thing I do want to point out is you have to have your camera turned on. I need to be able to see you. If for some reason you do not have a camera or you don't have the capabilities, you have to call the office, let them know, and that has to be approved. And then they will let me know. That is the only way. Otherwise, you will have to be on video. Now, every video call will be recorded. So make sure you know that. That's for your benefit. So if you miss anything, you can go back, you can watch our video and find out what you missed, okay? And all the chats are recorded. Then it talks about my grading policy. Projects are 50%, critique assignments are 20% of your grade, sketchbook assignments are 20%, and then you are graded on your participation if you show up in the video call, okay? It talks about late assignments and what happens if you turn things in late. My main thing is I just want you to stay in contact with me and let me know what's going on. And certain exceptions can be made if you are having issues or anything like that. You just have to stay in contact with me and let me know. Then there are a list of basic supplies that you will need. Supplies will vary. If you can't get some of these supplies or you don't have supplies for a certain assignment, make sure you contact me. We'll talk about that. If I can get some supplies to you, I will. We're very limited, as some of you already know who have been in my class before. But if you can at least get these, I would appreciate it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that really quick so you know. Then you can click out of it. Okay, remember, you need to check this virtual classroom every week. And I'm not going to click on the other things because I want you to be surprised and I want you to do it on your own. Okay. If you do have any questions, remember the question and answers channel is right here. Each channel is going to have different tabs up here. I'm going to try to make it so that whatever tab you click on up here, you will be able to find the virtual classroom and it'll take you to the same place. That way it'll make it easier for you. For attendance, you're going to fill out a question. Make sure you do that. Okay, I'm trying to think. Assignments. So let's go to general. Your assignments are going to post in here. So right now you already have one. It's called the art survey. So you're going to click on view assignment. Okay, I'm going to put it on student view. Okay, it'll have the name of the assignment, when it's due, how many points is possible, instructions, and then it'll have a link. You click the link and it's going to open up the assignment for you if you need to fill something out. Now, you cannot just start typing in here. You're going to have to download this and, alter it, and then you're going to have to upload it to me. And then, let's go back. Sorry. Okay, and then what it's going to do for me, it's going to tell me who turned it in, didn't turn it in. I can give you feedback and I will tell you what the grade was. You will also be able to check your grades in Infinite Campus, I believe. If not, I will be able to check your grades in Infinite Campus and let you know what they are. So, for my class, basically, that's going to be the gist of what you'll use. So you'll have tabs, you'll have channels, you'll have the virtual classroom, you'll have attendance and question and answers. Okay. We're only going to Zoom call, so I'll create a meeting. It'll tell you somewhere in here where that meeting time is and when you need to be there, and you'll click the link and it'll bring you into the meeting. When you are in a call, you're going to have to make sure your microphones are turned off until I tell you to turn them on. Make sure your camera's on. Be respectful. Our meetings will be either what we need to do for the week, important information you need to know, or there'll be a little bit of instruction and discussion. We'll also do group critiques in there too. And then one other thing is I'm going to create a virtual gallery. So as you turn stuff in, I will be able to put your work in a virtual Bitmoji museum/art show, and you will be able to click on it and see everybody's work. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm always available, and I will make another video on classroom procedures. But thank you so much, and I hope this video helps you navigate with art, and I'm excited to have you, and I'm excited for this year. So let's create. Figure out how to. See, I'm still learning too. I can't even figure out how to turn my video off. So I guess I just let it run its course. So I will be in the classroom, in our actual classroom, but I'm excited for our Bitmoji virtual classroom. So, and I hope you guys had a good summer, long summer, and I hope you're staying safe too. Wear your mask.